Evening, everyone. My name is SHalton Mothwa. I'm the founder of a hardware startup company called Epoch Microchips. We are currently based in Johannesburg, Mel Park, around here in Mel Park. So our specialty is in long-range wireless charging. We operate in the field of electronics and ICT. So what we basically do, we've noticed that you can harvest energy from radio waves emitted by our telecommunications towers around us and apply our technology to convert that into electrical energy and power up your tablet and your cell phone without your wall socket and your AC adapter. So currently we are working with the SABS Design Institute, Tshwane University of Technology, and we are funded by Technology Innovation Agency. So our product at the moment is marketed at universities. We did a market test and we found out that there is a need for students to have this product because during the day they don't really have time to charge their cell phones and laptops and other mobile devices. So from there, the product will be distributed in universities and colleges around. So the name of the product is called the Aeon Power Bag. It's an all new type of a bag, a laptop bag. You can put in your tablet and your cell phone in there and charge it wirelessly. And I mean wirelessly. So the bag will be produced around 203 rands. And it will be sold at a price of 575, including the electronics and the bag itself. So from there, we will ship about 10,800 units to those universities. And then the revenue for sales revenue will be about 4 million rands. Then once we've got proof that we can sell this bag, then that's when we can take it to your incredible connection, your wired, and so forth. Thank you, everyone.
There's almost been this undercurrent of this theme that's been running across the evening, and I feel like our winner tonight is evident of that. And I think it all started with Dr. Lifesgood with Lebo on screen this evening, and he told us about where he's at and what's happening, and he spoke specifically about a focus area, specifically where our winner tonight is a great representative of, and that is in the space of youth. So, who's our winner tonight, PK? Should I tell them or should you?
Daba.
Who's our winner tonight?
Daba.
Our winner is SHalton. So now, Cookie, so we'll tell you a little bit more about what you've won.
Didn't you win the last time? Oh, okay, you did it. So firstly, congratulations, Chief. I think you have an amazing idea. So compliments of the hookup dinner and SAB Kickstart, obviously that powers the movement. We're going to give you $2,000 cash into your account so that you can get the actual material done. So you can come with a prototype here.